Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily disable or enable vibrations on your XIAOMI Smart Band 10. So first, let's open it up. Let me grab it, and here we need to scroll down to settings. Now let's go to vibration, and here by clicking on the vibration, we can simply enable or disable it. When it's blue, then it's enabled, and when it's gray, then it's disabled. So here we have a lot of options, and that's basically how you guys can either enable or disable the vibrations on your smart band. So I'll see you in the next video, and leave a like, subscribe, and a comment.